Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to The Guy with Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Meta AI and how to use it seamlessly in your favorite Meta apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be a Meta AI pro. First things first, open the Meta app of your choice on your smartphone. Whether you're chatting one-on-one or in a group, Meta AI is ready to assist you. Now, here comes the magic. To activate Meta AI's attention, simply type @Meta AI in your chat. This is your command to get the AI's assistance. Once you've summoned Meta AI, it's time to specify your request. Be clear and specific about what you'd like Meta AI to do or provide. You can ask for information and recommendations, or even get creative tasks done. You can also use /imagine followed by your text prompt in the message field to generate images. The possibilities are endless. Meta AI is lightning fast. After you've entered your request, Meta AI will process it and provide you with a response right within your chat. It could be information, suggestions, or the creative result you asked for, depending on your request. But we're not done yet. You can continue the conversation with Meta AI based on its response. Don't hesitate to ask if you have follow-up questions or need further assistance. Meta AI is here to make your experience even better. So, what's in it for you? With Meta AI, you can streamline your interactions, get information in a flash, make decisions more efficiently, and add some creative flair to your chats. It's all about enhancing your Meta app experience. Remember, Meta AI's features may evolve over time, so keep exploring and experimenting to uncover all the incredible ways you can use this AI-powered tool in your conversations. Whether you're chatting with friends or colleagues, Meta AI is here to make your digital life easier and more enjoyable. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to The Guy with Gadgets for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, tech savvy.